आपको डायरेक्ट सेट से उठाए हैं।
This what you see me now is all made up.
गैंग्स ऑफ वसेपुर की शुरुआत आपसे होती है।
Can you imagine the fact that a filmmaker could highlight this show as a contrast to that stark reality of Vasipur? For me as an actor, such a moment.
There were a bunch of resignations also, no? And these were big scientists.
He basically said कि आपको अपॉइंटमेंट करना है ना, मैं जहाँ बोलता हूँ वहाँ साइन कर दो। I can't stand there mutely be a witness just because मेरा PR बिगड़ जाएगा। The first McDonald's that opened at Lakes Road, I was doing the झाड़ू पोछा। I met Shahrukh courtesy my husband. And Shahrukh first told me,
शादी मत करना।
like, bye, too late. One gentleman actually told me, मैं आपको ना मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी है, आप आ जाइए। लोग कहते हैं ना कि आप अनपढ़ हैं।
Somebody told me कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी के कारण भी आपका कास्टिंग हुआ था।
Nikta Kapoor just came out of the blue when I had gone to sign my contract. She took it, she tore it.
क्या क्या स्पेसेस हैं जिन लोगों ने शो नहीं देखा उन लोगों को बताना चाहूंगा मैं।
मुझे बहुत अजीब लगा था जब मेरे बारे में अलग अलग न्यूज़ प्लांट किए गए थे। जेड सिक्योरिटी होगी, टाइट सिक्योरिटी के अंतर्गत स्मृति ईरानी शूट करेगी।
तो ये सच नहीं है ना, वहाँ कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं खड़ी थी। एक
और
तो हमने छाते वाले को भी भगवा दिया। हेलो
हेलो,
वेलकम वेलकम। हम डबल डोर नहीं सिंगल डोर खोल रहे हैं आपकी एंट्री के लिए।
मर्सिफुली
नमस्कार करेंगे।
नमस्ते। मर्सिफुली दे आर नॉट 5-6 makeup vans waiting for me.
Oh no.
And no Z plus security, which
yeah.
apparently is spoken of but doesn't exist.
But good, we are walking like you walk into Udupi restaurants. एकदम बिंदास। हाय स्मृति जी, वेलकम टू द बॉम्बे जर्नी। क्या हाल है आपके?
मैं ठीक हूँ, कैसे आप?
हम आपको डायरेक्ट सेट से उठाए हैं।
ऐसा बम्बैया।
हाँ जी, आपको मतलब बम्बैया
वापस
ग्रैंड स्वागत होना बहुत जरूरी है ना। हो चुका है वैसे, जुलाई से चालू हो चुका है शो। क्यों?
हाँ, शो जुलाई से फिर से शुरू हो चुका है।
फिर तो दिल्ली अब कितना होता है और मुंबई अब कितना होता है आपका जीवन?
I think I oscillate. I travel so much between so many cities कि अभी सिर्फ ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैं दिल्ली मुंबई के बीच में भ्रमण कर रही हूँ या ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ। हाँ,
तो
आज मैं आपके साथ हूँ मुंबई में। एक्चुअली कल शाम को मैं दिल्ली में रहूँगी, फिर परसों शाम में अहमदाबाद हूँ, फिर वापस मुंबई हूँ, फिर मुंबई में 2 दिन रहूँगी, फिर हैदराबाद में एक कार्यक्रम है, फिर दिल्ली जाऊँगी, फिर लौटूंगी मुंबई, फिर कोलकाता में एक कार्यक्रम है, फिर लौटूंगी, फिर मुंबई 2 दिन रहूँगी और फिर न्यूयॉर्क जाऊँगी, फिर लौटूंगी।
शूटिंग कैसे कर रही हैं?
नहीं, न्यूयॉर्क से भी बेंगलोर जाऊँगी, बेंगलुरु से मैसूर जाऊँगी, मैसूर से बेंगलुरु, बेंगलुरु से बॉम्बे।
आई एम रियली फ्लैबरगास्टेड। आपको ये सब याद है? आपने पूरी आपकी एक्सेल शीट रटी हुई है।
हाँ, मैंने आपको करीबन 3 नवंबर तक का मेरा ट्रैवल प्लान बताया था।
थैंक गॉड की जेड प्लस सिक्योरिटी नहीं, वरना वो आपको ये बीप करवा देते हमारा पूरा।
नहीं, मुझे बहुत अजीब लगा था जब मेरे बारे में अलग अलग ये न्यूज़ प्लांट किए गए थे। जेड सिक्योरिटी होगी, टाइट सिक्योरिटी के अंतर्गत स्मृति ईरानी शूट करेगी। आई हैड अ हार्टी लाफ।
तो ये सच नहीं है ना, वहाँ कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं खड़ी थी। एक टाइम पे तो हमने छाते वाले को भी भगवा दिया। आपको धूप से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
क्योंकि मैशेबल आया तो इसीलिए छाते वाला प्रकट हो गया। क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन वाले को लगा कि अपना स्टैचर दिखना चाहिए। तो मैंने कहा क्या हो रहा है, आज तक तो कोई खड़ा नहीं था छाता लेके। तो लगे नहीं मैडम, दिखना चाहिए कि हम लोग ना आपको बड़े नाजों से रख रहे हैं। मैंने कहा अरे वाह भाई।
बट अवार्ड्स एज एन आर्टिस्ट आपको क्या देते हैं? लाइक एंड दिस हैज बीन एन एवोल्यूशन, राइट? आपका पहला अवार्ड मिला था, आपको क्या मिल रहा था, और फिर अब जब अवार्ड मिलता है तो कैसा लगता है?
देखिए, जब मुझे पहला अवार्ड मिला था मैं स्टेज पे थी नहीं। माय बेबी वाज अ फ्यू मंथ्स ओल्ड। तो मेरा पूरा जो दिन था वो शूटिंग और घर के बीच में ही बीतता था।
वाओ।
तो मेरा पहला अवार्ड लेने के लिए मैं खुद
नहीं गई थी आप। बट क्या व्हाट डज दैट चेंज?
मेरी पहली लोकसभा की जीत में भी अपना सर्टिफिकेट लेने मैं नहीं गई थी।
अरे वाह, सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है?
सर्टिफिकेट इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको देता है।
अरे क्या
लिखा है? You are hereby qualified that you have won because the election commission computes all the votes, so that is the only constitutional body that is allowed to certify that you are the representative from that particular constituency.
Congratulations on that. वो वाली जीत तो लैंडमार्क जीत हो गई ना। आपने अमेठी में वहीं के दिग्गजों को आपने हराया था।
नहीं, there was another landmark Rajya Sabha election which I had won.
Okay.
That was a Rajya Sabha election which was won by 3 people. That was my second term. And that was me, Amit Shah, and from the Congress, Ahmed Patel.
क्या
तो
बात है।
वो भी चुनाव देर रात तक चला था एंड पीपल वर ऑन देयर टेंटर हुक्स इन गुजरात. So
Very
I've
cool.
seen very historic elections. I remember 2004 में जो मेरे पास जिम्मेदारी थी, तो हम 3-4 बैचमेट्स थे, उसमें से एक आज मुख्यमंत्री है महाराष्ट्र का,
वाह
देवेंद्र
यार,
फडणवीस.
क्या बात है।
So we
तो क्या
were
बोलती
in
हैं आप जब
विदर्भ.
मुंबई आते हैं? हाँ,
We had responsibility there. तो वहाँ पे मुझे फ़ोन आया था कि चलो पैक योर बैग्स, तुमको चांदनी चौक से लड़ना है 2004 में. I was 27 years old. तो half the team was left here, half the team packed their bags. There were like 100 people. सबने बोरे बिस्तर बांधा, चल बुलाया है. It's like an assignment, you know, you pack your bags and you're running.
yeah.
And we landed up in Chandni Chowk, and we had what 20 to 23 days. Absolutely flabbergasted. करना क्या है? We organized ourselves and किसी ने रैग करते हुए, हम लोग जिस रूम में बैठ के बैठक करते थे उसके बाहर there were really some elements who just didn't want us there. तो उन्हें एक सुबह हम जब पहुँचे लगभग 6 बजे, तो पोस्टर लगा था महाराष्ट्र सदन. So we were like, चल कोई नहीं, काम करता है.
Good welcome you got.
We got, but I think it's a huge learning curve
हाँ जी,
between politics and media. दो सबसे tough fields हैं हमारे देश
बहुत
में.
competitive.
बहुत. और आज से मतलब 25 साल पहले तो आप सोच सकते हैं. आज तो फिर भी आप लोग बातचीत कर लेते हैं कि भाई
हाँ, social media भी है.
आज तब तो कुछ नहीं था. तब it was just the field that you have to work on, the people you have to work with, the constituents, the people you have to work for. That's it.
Perfect. Makes so much sense right now in retrospect अगर हम वापस देखें. बट आप ऐसे कैजुअली फडणवीस साहब की बात कर रहे हो, that's और सब नाम जो आपने याद रखे, आपकी मेमोरी की दाद देनी पड़ेगी.
नहीं, but they are colleagues that I have grown with.
हाँ,
I mean, today Pramod Sawant was Yuva Morcha Adhyaksh. I used to be the Prabhari in BJP. Every state has one political Prabhari
ठीक है.
who kind of helps organize and coordinate between the center and that particular state's organization. So the
Interesting.
central team and the state team. So I used to be the Prabhari for Goa. And
अच्छा,
our candidate used to be Manohar Parrikar.
इसलिए आपका मतलब
And
सब
Yuva
ऐसा
Morcha used to be Pramod Sawant, who's now the chief minister of Goa.
very nice यार. ये तो मतलब
So it's like you've grown as a part of your work together in the organization. So it's always nice to see people that you've worked with, colleagues you've worked with at
Makes
the
sense.
grassroots. They rise to some of the biggest constitutional positions in the country. So when we meet, we don't talk, "Arey, you're Mukhyamantri, I'm cabinet minister." No, it's just that it's nice to see people you have worked with grow to such stature
हाँ.
and get an opportunity to serve a larger purpose.
क्या ये लोग सब भी फूडीज हैं क्या इन लोग के साथ?
बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आई मीन गडकरी सर को पूछेंगे
हाँ.
आपको वो कहाँ पाव भाजी खानी है,
वो उनसे मैं
कहाँ
पूछ
पे,
चुका.
हाँ
वो
तो
मैं
वो
उनके साथ
आपको,
किया है.
हाँ तो बताए आपको
हाँ,
बड़ा पाव कहाँ अच्छा
हाँ.
मिलता है. हाँ, so that's गडकरी सर, वो आपको बताएंगे.
तो उनके साथ मेरा ये वार्तालाप हो गया. बट
हाँ,
आप
हमारी
बताओ.
जैसे नागपुर में शिवानी करके एक हमारी कार्यकर्ता है.
जी,
तो शिवानी को मालूम है कि ताई आई है, तो हमको नागपुर में इस रेडी पे जाके पानी पूरी,
रेडी है? Please
वो
बता
है
दीजिए.
सड़क पे है
अच्छा.
साधारण, तो वहाँ पे जाके पानी पूरी खानी है.
Very nice.
या अगर मैं मुंबई में हम लोग टाउन बोलते हैं, टाउन से
हाँ.
अगर मैं वापस मान लीजिए बुरीविली आ रही हूँ या अंधेरी जा रही हूँ, तो सबको पता है ताई के पास 2 मिनट भी है तो कैफे मद्रास में
एक इडली.
रुकेगी. इडली नहीं, आई जस्ट वॉक इन.
हाँ.
तो अब तो उनका सेकंड जनरेशन हैज टेकन ओवर ना.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
तो वो दोनों लड़के, दोनों में से कोई भी होगा गले पे, तो देर से स्मृति कम सिट, डू नॉट लुक एट द मेन्यू, व्हाटएवर वी आर सेंडिंग ईट. दैट इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. उसके साथ गार्डन फ्रेश करके एक दुकान है
हाँ.
ग्रोसरी की, वो बाकी सब तो, इफ यू रिमेंबर, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू रिमेंबर, बट इयर्स अगो दिस होल फैंसीफुल आइडिया कि इम्पोर्टेड स्वीट्स आए हैं एंड यू नो सिरप्स आए हैं.
हाँ, ये वहाँ मिलते हैं अभी भी. गार्डन फ्रेश में मिलता है. गार्डन फ्रेश
तो
उतना ही है
उसके
अभी भी.
उस हंगामे के बीच में ही वुड मेक, ए बेन मैं गोंडला लाडू बनाव्या છે તમે ખાશો. So I'm like, लाओ. So it is, I think sometimes my family tells me you look like very purposeful when you're eating. But those are the small joys of life, right?
यही तो है. और जीवन किस लिए जीते हैं हम लोग? खाने के लिए तो जीते हैं.
You know, and there are times when I look at my colleagues, like Rekha Gupta, she is now the CM.
करेक्ट.
Vanathi Srinivas. Vanathi defeated Kamala Hassan in Coimbatore.
Oh, wow.
So Vanathi and I had one quirk always. I would tell her I want to have sapad and I want to eat at any ramshackle place. I just need papadam, bhat and some sambar.
Perfect.
So my memories with these constitutional heads goes back to just basic food on the run.
ये जो लाइफ होगी ऐसी, ये सोचा था कभी?
I knew I was not born to be a nobody.
ठीक है.
That I had figured very early in life. And it was very irritating for my mother. Because she's like, तुम अपने आसपास देखो, तुम्हारी कोई भी ऐसी circumstance या indication नहीं दे रही है कि तुम्हारी लाइफ बहुत गुलाबी होने वाली है या तुम बड़े सक्सेसफुल होने वाले हो. और उनको हमेशा लगता था, why are you insisting? And I was like, no, but it's the most irritating part about me is, and especially my family points it out, when I say, I know, this will happen. So
You just say it always,
I say,
huh?
हाँ, ये होगा. And
हो जाता है.
But by now, most of them have given up on me कि अच्छा ठीक है बाबा. And
बोल रही है
when
तो
it
कर
happens, then I said, बोला था. So my mother was very, I think she was also panicked because she felt कि तुम ऐसे ही ख्याली पुलाव पका रही हो स्मृति. And when that dream collapses, it is earth shattering. And I was very, very कि हो जाएगा. Ultimately, I will get there. So now nobody kind of argues with me. Even on this set, I have a new lot of youngsters working with me. So when I first came, everybody was very circumspect. ऐसे सब डर के हमारे लाइन में खड़े हुए थे.
क्यों ऐसा?
नहीं, और मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि अगर किसी को मेरे बारे में गलत फहमी है तो वो गलत फहमी रहनी चाहिए. लाइफ इज वेरी इजी. गलत फहमी मत. मेरा रेपुटेशन
है, हाँ होंगे.
मेरा रेपुटेशन खराब मत करो. अगर खराब है उसको खराब ही रहने दो. लाइफ इज मच इजियर बिकॉज तब बेफालतू के लोग दिमाग नहीं खाते हैं.
सही है, बट क्या है?
I still remember I was
What are
textile minister.
हाँ.
The gentleman who created, you remember Century Mills?
हाँ जी.
And there's a gentleman who's known as the Doyen of Indian cotton.
Okay.
He happens to be the father of Uday Kotak.
Okay.
So all of them, all these stalwarts in textiles, you know, it was it's a courtesy that they wanted to extend कि नया textile मंत्री आया है, इनको जाके मिलते हैं. और उस वक्त मैं एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री से टेक्सटाइल में आई थी. तो एजुकेशन वालों ने ये हल्ला फैलाया था कि भाई ये बड़ी ना कड़क मंत्री है और नाक पे गुस्सा रहता है. And
नहीं, सख्त भी थी आप तब.
my issue is if I have somebody scheming to take money out of the taxpayers from the treasury, I was very straightforward कि there'll be action against you.
Fair enough.
I was not very लचीला कि अरे मैम लिसन टू मी ना. नहीं, आपने जानबूझ के अगर कानून तोड़ा है, इफ यू आर टेकिंग मनी आउट,
बाय बाय.
हाँ. I've had people who walked up to me and said, जाने दीजिए ना. I'm like, no.
But there were a bunch of resignations also, no? And these were big scientists at that time who were resigning also.
No, there was one scientist.
One scientist who had resigned.
Who didn't resign. He basically said कि आपको अपॉइंटमेंट करना है ना, मैं जहाँ बोलता हूँ वहाँ साइन कर दो. It actually happened. Because he's like, you know, you're not experienced. You don't seem to have much intellect also. So I've actually had people come to me as mantri, sit across the table with me. And one gentleman actually told me that एक काम करिए, मैं आपको ना मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी है महाराष्ट्र में एक इनविटेशन देता हूँ, आप आ जाइए. तो I said, sir, I don't know you from Adams and I have priority of parliament. इसे नहीं, लोग कहते हैं ना कि आप अनपढ़ हैं. जब आप मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी में आएंगे ना तो लोग कहेंगे कि अरे मतलब आपका एकेडमिक इंक्लिनेशन है. So the fact that somebody could sit across the table from me as a minister and do this. So this scientist basically told my team, my staff members, that मंत्री को बोला ना थोड़ा lean करे मुझ पे. And he went and told a male staff member. And it's a very, very renowned scientist. So I called him. I said, sir, did you tell my staff member this? No, I mean that you should, depend on me because of my scientific temper. And I said, but mine is an administrative job. I am not going to a lab to discover something. I have to see who has the best capacity to appoint them for that job.
Yeah.
He said, no, leave it to me. I will pick, you just sign. I said, that won't happen. So who are the people he wanted to slash from the appointment list? People who made the communication capacities for missiles like Prithvi.
Oh.
So when I first saw that list, I said, why would you not pick this guy? And why would you pick somebody substandard? I will resign. I said, go ahead. But somebody who's smart enough to design satellite communication, smart enough to design the defense capacities that our country is using, and now wants to teach in an IIT, should not be given the job.
These are F+ level scientists at DRDO and DLRL levels. These
My
are
issue
people I'm
is,
thinking
so
of.
I'm so busy working, I'm not working the press. And this guy is like, "Arey, I'm gonna resign." I said, "No problem. I will pick the best because that is my responsibility for that institutions." And then I discovered one gentleman who would go to these labs and tell students, "Arey, you want grants? Then मेरा नाम भी जोड़ो तुम्हारी scientific paper पे." I'm like, why you
This is commonly
ruin
done.
careers? So I would take up those issues and they would say I'm difficult. I was like, so be it, doesn't matter. I've had a generation of youngsters leave my country
Yeah.
because this is what was done to young scientists. I can't stand there mutely be a witness to this genuine injustice just because मेरा PR बिगड़ जाएगा.
सही किया.
So I was like, hell with it. आपको करना है? No problem. I had one guy walk up to me and say कि आपको ना इस फाइल पे, and this happened in the first 2 weeks of me being minister, इसलिए साइन करना चाहिए ताकि ना ये opposition का candidate है, I can get you curry some good favors from them. I said, but how did this file move? Because there was model code of conduct. File
Yeah.
could not have moved. वो तो आप कर दीजिए sign. So I'm not a sign. Then I dug deeper. Ends up that guy had vigilance complaints against him. CBI registered a case against him. I said, how can the government appoint such a person? You're being difficult. I said, doesn't matter. So the only flaw possibly you can ascribe to me is I didn't do PR to explain. Today I'm doing
fair
it but if you go back and look at all my files, RTI ka zamana, you will find that all of them have long and everybody, aap kyun descriptive? I said, because this is a testimony to our history. That I was, as a citizen, given an opportunity to serve my country. How did I serve my country?
Fair enough.
Was I one of the run-of-the-mill politicians who said, "Nee, let me become the darling of the so-called 1 or 2 academicians who want to throttle young talent in this country"? No. So I was very clear.
No, thank you. हमारे पास actually referencing नहीं है ना to have women at various power echelons.
I've had an IIT director who walked into my called a politician to say कि अरे आप स्मृति ईरानी को बोलो कि कुछ ना अनोमलीज हैं अकाउंट्स में, उसको ना तफ्तीश ना करे. तो ऐसे अनोमली नहीं, इन्होंने जाके कहीं कोई कैंपस खोल दिया है बिना पार्लियामेंट की रजामंदी के. पूछता उनकी फाइल्स में, मैंने कहा वो तफ्तीश तो होगी. तो कॉल द पॉलिटिशियन सेड, अरे मेरी बात कराओ स्मृति ईरानी से. सो this is a director. I am a cabinet minister. So the director walks in with some champu.
Laughing in disbelief, ma'am. Sorry.
No, but it's happened. And I'm saying this today because one needs to understand, forget women in politics. The issue is, if anybody in politics tries to bring about this kind of a change, I want youngsters like you to understand what are people like us then up against.
Yeah.
So the guy walks up and says, आप एक काम करो, आपको तो फ़ोन आ गया होगा. I said, क्या फ़ोन?
किसका? हाँ.
नहीं मतलब कि you know I'm friends. I said, doesn't matter. But what am I to do with your friendships? So I said, I suggest you leave. So the guy calls up the politician to say, स्मृति ईरानी ने कहा है कि she'll throw me out of her 3rd floor office. ऐसे.
Wait, what?
हाँ.
तो गुंडी हो गई आप सीधा.
हाँ, so that is the reputation they built. So I called the guy back. I said, आपका PA होगा, उसको भेजो मेरे ऑफिस. तो PA दौड़ता आया, कहा क्या हुआ दीदी? ऐसे मेरा रूम बेटा अच्छे से देख, क्या दिख रहा है मेरे रूम में? मैंने कहा देखा? कहता हाँ. मैंने मेरे रूम की फ़ोटो ली? कहता हाँ. मैंने कहा जा 1 हफ्ते बाद आना. I called the guy back and I said, call that director with your PA back to my room in 1 week. He said, why are you behaving so weirdly? I said, call na. 1 week later, the guy walks in thinking, "Arey, Smriti Irani, now you'll kind of, back off."
ऊट पाड़ के नीचे.
हाँ. ऐसे नहीं साहब, आप 1 हफ्ते पहले जब मेरे कमरे में आए थे ना, मेरे कमरे में खिड़की नहीं थी. मैंने CPWD से खिड़की बनवाई है.
कि अगर फेंकना भी पड़ा.
मैंने कहा अगली बार you come in and you threaten me with consequences because I'm acting as per law, then I will actualize what you thought I was going to do. So these are the genuine challenges that I had faced.
These are so random. ये तो उड़ते तीर हैं. ये तो पता भी नहीं चलते कहाँ से आ रहे हैं.
I think what is important is that why does a person like me get involved in politics? I have seen the rigmaroles of media. It's a very comfortable life. You've become what you've become. XYZ will give you tons of money to do 1000 things.
Yeah.
Why do I only pick not to do 1000 things? I don't do a tambaku ad, a flavored water ad, knowing it's an alcohol brand somewhere.
Yeah.
Why don't I do it? As of this, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, the channel and network I'm working for, I do not do brand endorsement. Somebody said and came, the owner would like to meet you. I said, but why? No, but wouldn't you like to know? I said, no, I'm very clear. Is it an issue which will help women in this country? On any issue, on health? Yes, of course. आप थोड़ा activist type है ना? So I said yes. तो मुझे बताइए script क्या है? तो script बिल्कुल public service message है मैम. I said you are paying me so much money for a public service message. तो हाँ, public service message. Then people meet. Can you hold the product? No. Is the script public service message? No.
It wasn't?
No.
तो बोल के गए थे आपको था public service?
That's what I'm saying. So I'm like,
अच्छा ऐसा सब होता
the
है.
check is so big that she was say, अच्छा ठीक है. I said no. So they are gobsmacked. I said the check is very big. You have to do 1 day's work. I said, it doesn't matter. So many people don't understand that there are people on planet Earth who will let go of economic opportunities that will be very beneficial, or opportunities to enhance themselves politically or from a peer point of view, only on the basis of a principle they stand for. I'm of the opinion, I'm very clear. What is it that I communicate? That you don't have to be size 0 to be appreciated as a human being,
Anji.
or for you to appreciate a craft. You don't have to have that whole, this what you see me now is all made up. I can't have women, especially young girls, thinking this is an image to aspire to. That you can be a chashme wali, achhi khasi, mutki aurat, 49 years old, walking the ramp with these gorgeous women who are decked up wearing loads of jewelry.
नहीं बट हम तो
You can
सोसाइटल ब्यूटी
still
स्टैंडर्ड्स
be-
को ही कंप्लाई कर रहे हैं ना. हम अभी जो वार्तालाप भी किए ये लास्ट, वो भी उसी को एड्रेस करता है. बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो थिंक दैट दे आर गॉर्जियस. यू आर गॉर्जियस. ऑल ऑफ अस आर गॉर्जियस.
Even if I'm not, who cares?
बट यू आर.
Why do I have to be gorgeous?
बट दैट्स द
To
थिंग ना, हमारे
just,
बने हुए
my
वो है ना
issue is,
कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट्स.
why does everybody have to be beautiful? Why does what is beauty?
या
क्या सब बूढ़े नहीं होते?
हाँ बट लेकिन उसमें भी सुंदरता है.
नहीं भी हो.
चलो फेयर
क्या
एनफ.
पड़ी है?
मेरे को ये समझना है कि आप जनपद पे क्या बेचती थी, क्योंकि लोगों को वो बैकग्राउंड पूरी तरीके से नहीं
मुझे
समझ
देखो
में
उस
आया होगा.
वक्त बहुत क्लियर थी भाई. आई नीडेड सम मनी टू गेट बाय.
हाँ.
No girl in my family had ever worked. Never. And I had this खुजली of wanting to work. And my dad was like, तुमको लगता आसान है क्या? जाओ बाहर जाके देखो. I said ठीक है. Went out. Honestly, the only job I got at that time. I mean, क्या 15-16 year old को क्या नौकरी मिलेगी?
सही बात है.
So was to sell on जनपद का street. मनोज प्रभाकर क्रिकेटर ना,
हाँ जी.
उसका कोई ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स निकला था. पता नहीं कैसे उस वक्त मैंने दिमाग भी नहीं लगाया कि क्रिकेटर औरतों का ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट क्यों निकाल रहा
सही
है.
बात
बट
है.
इट वाज प्रीबायोटिक बोटैनिक समथिंग लाइक दैट.
वाओ.
So $200 I would get for selling on the street, and I would sell.
दिस इज अ
And-
पर डे, नो पर मंथ.
This is per day.
पर डे, नॉट बैड.
Not bad.
है ना?
Yeah.
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ सेल्स कमीशन देन.
It's like from 9 in the morning to about 6-7 in the evening.
या.
Not bad for a
Huh.
16-year-old. But the issue was that you could only hold on to the next day's job if you sold something on day one. If you're
Oh.
not, they would get somebody else.
अलग लेवल कट थ्रोट है सेल्स.
But that is the place where I had a woman stop me and said, she bought something, she left, she came back. I was like, Auntie, you want one more? She's like, no, you know why I came back? And we don't realize what we may say to somebody that triggers
या.
and changes an aspect of their lives. That woman came back. She said, do you know why I bought this from you? I don't need it. I said, why? So you're very good at marketing.
या.
I'm like, oh, acha, you're very good at speaking. I said, oh, thank you. So that's the
It's a stem of the idea.
light bulb moment. Oh, I can speak.
या.
So that was the discovery, I can speak.
That's a
Then I joined my father's logistics business. So I would run between Bus Adda, ISBT and Goldak Khana in Delhi, Palam Airport, to see how load works. Today you have DTDC and all
Haan
these
ji, haan
on.
ji.
Remember there used to be a thing called Skypack once upon a time,
No
World
idea.
Pack. You were not even born then. So at the age of 17, 18, I was one of the first 3-4 women in the country to do logistical work.
What the heck?
Then in Delhi, I was like, everything I do, they say I'm doing it because my dad is enabling it. So I wanted to go to some place where my parents would not know anybody. So I tried to set up the logistics business in Mumbai, Thane, for him. So I had an office in Parla. And at that time, union was too strong.
Correct.
early 90s. And I was this piddly little 17-year-old standing up in front of union guy and saying, तुमको 9 बजे आना था, तुम 9 बजे क्यों नहीं आए? And he would say, अरे auntie, we are supposed to fight. I said, no, listen, I was a card holder. So my dad was like, hey भगवान, तुम नया लफड़ा मत करो, उधर जाके झगड़ा मत करो. I'm like, no, if I'm supposed to do union rate, he's supposed to come on time.
सही बात.
So I used to do all of
अलग
that.
अलग आप अनएक्सपेक्टेड जगह से लड़ रही हैं ना, वो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है उन लोग के लिए, उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या चल रहा है.
I would reach before everybody else. Sit in the morning, I would open the shutter, I would down the shutter.
But what all odd jobs have you done? Like this is one sales, Janpat was one.
The first McDonald's that opened at Linking
McDonald's?
Road,
So
I
you
was
bring-
doing the jhadu pocha, not even qualified to say welcome to McDonald's at the till.
No, not. I thought you would be at the like counter. At
No,
least.
that's what I told the guy who was hiring. I said, manager कैसे बनता है ये बताओ.
हाँ.
He was like, mental, you are getting thing to scrub utensils. I said, no, but that is okay, but I need to know how quickly can I become manager. What all do I need to? So, ambition was exhibited
उसने
even
बोला,
at
पोंछा
McDonald's.
लगाओ.
उसने कहा पोंछे लगाने के आपके पास नौकरी आ सकती है इस वक्त और everything is filled. I said, that is fine. ऐसे ये बताओ manager कैसे बनता है. So when I was in textile, everybody was talking and Amit Jatia, who used to own all of this, I told them, listen boss, you will find me still on his payroll as Smriti Malhotra. That was my maiden name. They said, क्या बात कर रहे हो ma'am? I said, they wanted to donate something for Prime Minister's Beti Bachao program. I said, why don't we get hold of that certificate, my payroll, and see whether we can auction it? So the whole textile community said, ma'am, let's do this. We called Jatia. I spoke to Jatia. I said, listen, sir, I used to be your jadu poche wala. They extracted my
They got it for
certificate.
real?
Yeah. And the Textile Association kind of auctioned it. And money that was raised was donated to the Prime Minister's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
क्या
The
बात
issue is that, can you imagine, some kid somewhere lands up, does jadu pocha, becomes minister, and that payroll ka certification, PF ka certificate gets auctioned. Then I also was a runner in this for Z News.
What?
Yeah,
What would you do?
Stringa.
Really?
Yeah.
So you would source stories?
I would source through. And my director one day was like, अरे अभी आज बीमार है. So me and the cameraman used to say, अरे बीमार है लेकिन हमको output देना है तो क्या करने का?
हाँ.
So they used to say, चलो film star का लेके आओ
Bite.
interview.
हाँ.
So we would run around Film City and other places just to get a film star's
वाह,
bite,
वाह, वाह,
so
वाह.
we could fill in output.
करेक्ट, वो तो जरूरी है. देखिए बीच में वो
So
चाहिए.
we've done that also. I've done that.
बहुत सुंदर, वेरी कूल.
Not bad.
नॉट बैड एट ऑल. ये आसपास का फिल्म सिटी वगैरह का क्या याद है आपको फिर?
सब याद है. The idea was that if you had that press pass, it was comparatively much easy.
Yeah, that's
Then
true.
it was hanging around Star ka some makeup van to hope some Shah Rukh Khan comes out. And Shah Rukh knew my husband, so I could say, bhai, please,
Yeah.
एक interview दे दे.
तो आप शाहरुख
So
से
he
ऐसे मिली
would-
हैं पहली बार?
I met Shah Rukh courtesy my husband.
They are school
And
friends.
Shah Rukh first told me, शादी मत करना. I'm like, hey,
Really?
bye, too late. से मत कर, मैं अभी से बता रहा हूँ तुझे. Don't get married. Like, अरे.
पर वो जनरली शादी के ऊपर
No,
भी होता है ना
Salman was
कई
my husband's St. Xavier's में
Oh.
college classmate. So the first time Zubin took me to introduce me, Salim uncle was there and he said, तुमको मालूम है तुम्हारे मियाँ साहब मेरे बेटे के साथ क्या करते थे? मेरी गाड़ी चुरा के भाग जाते थे. And I'm standing there, you know, कि अरे this is like Salim Khan and there's Salman Khan standing there and both Salman Khan, my husband, are standing like that and Salim uncle like निकम्मे दोनों में ही.
तो ये जुबिन भाई ये सब क्या कर रहे थे? ये तभी
When you have Parsi family, you know that they're madcaps.
या डूड, मेरे जितने पारसी बाबा दोस्त हैं फ्रॉम कॉलेज, हाय गाइस, आई सेकंड एवरीथिंग दैट शी इज सेइंग. जितने बाबा लोग आप जानते हो कमेंट्स में बताओ ऐसे है कि
Baba
नहीं?
kids, so everybody is mad.
मतलब टू माय रेफरेंसेस कि मैं जब भी कोई ईरानी कैफे में जाता हूँ वहाँ पर आपको ऐसे ड्रिंक दी जाती है, ये लो
हाँ,
पी लो.
चलो.
मैंने धरा उतनी जोर से धरा नहीं
No,
जितना
we
धरते हैं
had
लोग.
we have family in Dahanu, which is like, you know, at the border
हाँ
of
जी,
Gujarat,
Gujarat,
Maharashtra.
yeah.
And I still remember I was a young bride, and suddenly in the middle of the night, one of my brother-in-laws is, you know, everybody has wadis, farms.
हाँ.
Suddenly I hear Nidha, hey Zubin, ut. And I'm like, what happened? You know, it's like andhera room and suddenly you can hear somebody try to. I said, shoot you, chor aayo. I said, boss, call the cops. Nahi, pakadiye. I said, what? So all the brothers got together. It was the chor had come to the sister's house, which was locked up. And all the brothers surrounded the house. All cousins, all the babas came and surrounded that house.
And he's still
And
doing
then
his business
the
inside.
chore had to use the house ka phone to call local cops. And the babas are calling all the house help to say, chai lao. I said, what is this chai lao? So
Time pass chal raha hai
I've
idhar.
actually seen the sister-in-law's house surrounded by all cousins, including Mr. Irani, sitting and saying, awa de, chor bar aayega. I said, what? Madness. I mean, this is what you think. Anush Irani, you know, the writer who wrote Dano Road, and that's my nephew.
No, तो
Yeah.
यूं तो आप ऐसे बमन का भी कनेक्शन निकाल लाओगी.
वो एक्चुअली है मेरे हस्बैंड के साइड ऑफ द फैमिली से. बट बबन had once said all Iranis are related. I'm like, boss,
all possible.
I'm an Irani by marriage. So if you guys are related, God bless you all.
ये लोग ने फिल्म भी तो बनाई थी, Being Cyrus और ये सब लोग हैं
So
उसमें.
Anush is my nephew-in-law. Baman is related to Zubin from his mommy's side. Perizad Zurabian also. So it's a mad house. But I think my most fondest memories of all times is those Baba brothers coming together, surrounding the house, and the chore inside calling for help.
मैं विजुअल मेरे दिमाग में है. ये फिल्म है, ये शॉर्ट
And
फिल्म है.
everybody saying choy lao, which is
क्योंकि हम
get us a
wait
cup of
करेंगे.
tea, we will wait for the chore to
Superb
come
है,
out.
बहुत सही, बहुत सही. बट साइकिल
Cycle
ब्रेकिंग
breaking,
वाला
yeah.
इंस्पिरेशनल आंसर चाहिए मेरे को, क्योंकि आप हैं इंस्पिरेशन. आप बताएं कैसे कोई कर सकता है ये, क्योंकि जाकिर भाई की हमारी लड़का लोगों की मुहिम चलती है, जो वो बोलते हैं कि जाकिर हुसैन
जाकिर कहता है ना?
जाकिर खान.
हाँ नो जाकिर, मैंने उनको बधाई दी थी इंस्टा स्टोरी पे अपनी, क्योंकि कई बार मुझे डर लगता है कि अगर मैं लोगों को बता दूं मैं किस किस कॉमिक को, किस किस वक्ता को सुनती हूँ, तो उसका करियर बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
नहीं क्यों भाई, अच्छी बात है.
हाँ, अभिषेक उपमन्यु का कोई जोक लगा दिया था, मैंने कहा अब ये कुछ भी बोलेगा कंट्रोवर्शियल, वो मेरे सर पे आएगा.
कि तब आप
यश,
support की
आपने
नहीं.
क्यों किया था इसको सपोर्ट? यशराज मुखाटे ने पहले जब ही वाज जस्ट राइजिंग, आई हैड सपोर्टेड हिम, देन समबडी वेंट मेड माय लाइफ मिजरेबल. इसने ये किया, आपने कैसे इसको सपोर्ट किया? तब मैं बहुत साइलेंटली जिसको सपोर्ट करना होता है, जिसको देखना होता है, देखती हूँ. सो दैट एवरीबडीज फ्रीडम टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स can just
Rest.
be.
Yeah.
And nothing that I do becomes a headache for them.
100%.
But I think Zakir has said a very nice thing कि कोशिश कर लो हो जाएगा.
है ना?
Which is true. I mean, what I hear of him is he gives a lot of impetus to what his father has always said, right?
Yeah.
Now, the difference between possibly that mindset and mine is there was zero expectations that I'll be anything. Everybody said, शादी करा दो, शादी करा दो.
हर जगह से यही था.
हाँ, सब जगह से ये था कि just get her married. Because I was not very, I mean, I would never speak about ambition, about capacity. So there was no way to judge my capacity. There was no way to foresee. It is just me repeatedly saying, I know I will become somebody. So it's like my mother just 2 days ago came to the set for the first time in my entire life.
No way.
My
पहली बार तो आई,
my father's never visited me on set.
First season?
Never. My parents
Hey.
have never seen my work.
What?
So my mother now is 75 and wanted to say, हमको एक बार देखना है तुम करते क्या हो. And she sat and she said, you know, you effortlessly suddenly become a character. How do you do that? I said, Amma, it took you 28 years to ask me something, which I've been doing for 28 years. Many people presume that because I am who I am, I must be the center of my family. That's not true.
हाँ, देसी फैमिलीज अलग बजती हैं.
हाँ, नहीं. There are families that exist and it doesn't matter whether you're a celebrity or a politician. And it's always nice when you have your parents rediscover you.
Yeah.
So, and I always tell people, parents never say no because they don't like you. They say no out of pure fear, especially if you're middle class, lower middle class. This morning, and I'm saying this without my father's permission, my father said between 1975 and 1980, he said we were two youngsters, absolutely ideologically opposite of each other. But we wanted to look after two young girls. We had 3 sisters. He said 3 babies we had, all 3 girls. My father is a hardcore North Indian who was always shamed for not having a son. He says, I know how it felt to leave a baby in a creche because we could not afford any care for that child.
Yeah.
So he says, for me, those 5 years defined me as a human being. So imagine for him, his daughter saying, मुझे
कुछ करना है.
कुछ करना है. He's like, no, just शादी करो, just go. You know, because I don't want you to go through. और कहाँ शादी करो जिसके पास मुझसे 10 गुना पैसा हो. So that was his way of standardizing protection. Mother was like, इससे कौन शादी करना चाहता है? So I had proposals coming from London, from Ludhiana, and I was very clear, nahi. They're like, are you mad? We don't have money.
Yeah.
So if somebody thinks that you're so attractive that they can financially assure your future, love, sab chhod do, Shruti, just get married. And I was like, I don't need a guy and I don't need money to make me what I am going to be in life. So I think of it from my parents.
वो clarity भी बहुत जरूरी है.
But I am thinking from my parents' point of view that they have gone through such stuff in life. They're like, you have no clue how bad life can be. And I'm like, don't worry, I'll manage. So it is that. That's what your parent does. And it's different for men. It's different for a girl.
हाँ, पूरी अलग है.
Because they have these nightmares कि लड़के को क्या हो जाएगा, अलग शहर में कैसे रहेगी, कोई इसको कुछ कर देगा physically. So their nightmares are completely different. लड़कों से एक्सपेक्टेशन है रखड़ लेंगे.
वो तो है, वो 100% है. बट मैं आपको बहुत अच्छा सुंदर व्यू मिला है, तो एक सेकंड उतर के व्यू के साथ एक फोटो के लिए रोकना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि हम जनरली ये मुंबई में बांद्रा में कर रहे होते हैं. पहली बार हम फिल्म सिटी में यहाँ कर पा रहे हैं. आपके करें. Speaking of a guy in your life, did you all do romances of the typical kinds? You and Zubin?
No.
Really?
No, it was very clear.
Not like Bandra cafes?
No. I had two proposals for marriage.
ठीक है.
One was a guy in London who apparently had seen my photograph somewhere.
Oh.
Very, very rich guy's son, iklota beta. And he convinced my bua that, I have to marry this girl. So my father was like, Smriti, please. He said, I'm not doing this. And my father thought that as in hindsight, let me give her an opportunity to marry a divorcee. And Zubin is somebody I'd known for so many years. So he said, what is the issue? I said, issue is I want to work. He said, I'm okay with you working. So I gave him that look. Acha, you're permitting me. He said, hey, yaar, just work. Do what the hell you want.
And how old was
Chanel? So it was, I don't remember the exact age. And it was very clear. He's like, this kid is my priority. And I said, so this kid is your priority. I need to work. He's like, done. It was literally a handshake. Okay.
You
So we got married in the parking lot of my mother's building.
No.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Which building has this good parking lot?
Yari Road.
Really? Then that's
Yeah.
not even a big parking lot.
No, it's not. And it was such a weird one because I was also working. I was shooting.
For?
Something I was shooting. And he said, listen, buddy, will you land up for the wedding? I'm like, yeah. Run, phone, run. I had some saving, he had some saving. And it was literally ki check cut rahe. Arey, aap ketra. Next morning, it was, achha chal, Chambers hai Taj. अपना वो क्या है वो हार्बर वाला where you can see gateway of India.
Yeah.
What is that? Tea room.
हाँ, the
Whatever.
Taj का tea room.
हाँ, whatever. So the high point was tea room में lunch खाया. And then it was, अरे मैं सिडनी जा रहा हूँ कल, मैं सेट पे जा रही हूँ कल.
नहीं,
what?
No. I thought you'd go to Sydney, no?
No. He went for work, I went to work. That's it.
Congratulations.
No, this big romance happening. No big romance. And I think that's how it lasts,
Okay.
When you don't have these fairy tale stupid ideas.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yes. That's Carol.
This is Akash, who ended up playing my son.
Are you dancing here somewhere?
No.
Oh, I know this song.
Yeah. I was in the last shot. There was a movie with Shah Rukh Khan only. Aziz Mirza had done Juhi Chawla, Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, and I was the silhouette. That was my first ever shot.
You were a silhouette.
I was a silhouette where
Shah Rukh Khan. मतलब वो shadow जैसा काला काला जो दिखता नहीं है.
हाँ, I was a silhouette with Shah Rukh Khan. That was my first time I faced the camera, and Aziz Saab was like, "यार, कुछ भी से डायलॉग बुलवा दे." I was like, "Daddy, that." So, and the costume was from, you remember what is that film? Manisha Koirala and Amir Khan. She had a black dress. अकेले राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया टाइप. So that black dress was given to me. That जल्दी से पहनो खड़े हो जाओ. It's a silhouette. We needed an actor, and Shah Rukh is talking to me. And the scene is that Aditya Pancholi has told Shah Rukh Khan कि यार I need to write off a woman. Just go and tell her. So I said I can't show my face. So I was a silhouette in Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, I think.
Oh my God. to think about it.
तो
हम
आपने
वापस
क्या
अभी
क्या किया है?
क्योंकि सीजन 2 पे जा रहे हैं जिधर आपने मतलब एक तो आपकी वो डेथ हुई थी, किसी मीर की डेथ हुई थी
हाँ, वो
जो कुछ 3
नाचों के
एपिसोड
बाद।
चली थी।
I have no idea. I have done so much like I've just described to you.
आपको
Which
पता है हमारी एंजाइटी लेवल्स कितने थे? पूरा सह परिवार देखा जाता था ये शो। आज भी ऐसा ही है, तो आप लोग प्लीज बताएं कमेंट में कौन कौन कितने लोग बैठ के देखते हैं, क्योंकि मेरी माँ, पापा, भाई, मैं सब हम चारों बैठ के देखते थे शो। It was
that was
next
my
level.
paycheck. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for making Gangs of Wasseypur की
So when-
शुरुआत आपसे होती है।
Can you imagine?
The quandary or like the
No,
contrast.
the fact that a filmmaker could highlight this show as a contrast
Yeah,
to that stark reality of Wasseypur.
correct.
It was for me as an actor such a moment. And
You've
that
never met
too,
Anurag and
of
spoken
course
about it.
I've
You have?
no, I know Anurag. I speak to him. In fact, he one of his rants where he says, "I'm going to charge people money to hear their scripts." I called him. I said, "Listen, I'm not going to give you any money. Kali pocket. I'm going to make you hear nonsense."
Yeah, why not?
I've written with people like Kamlesh Pandey who wrote Rang De Basanti.
Really?
Yeah, I've written Virudh, Thodi Si Zameen, Thoda Sa Asman. I'm a published author for a book called Lal Salam.
Wow, I
I
know Lal
just
Salam,
made
yes.
Kamlesh ji read Lal Salam because I was thinking of scripting something around it. So yeah, I write as well.
So are you going to hardcore be back in the creative world doing way more things?
But I
apart from
published the
क्योंकि-
book while I was in cabinet.
हाँ, नहीं मैं
So
यही
it's-
बोल रहा हूँ कि वो
I think that as a creative person, you are never disengaged from processes.
सही बात है।
There is also this whole emphasis that politicians don't do anything except politicking. And if, as a politician, you are genuinely not connected to reality, then you start believing the echo chamber so much
Yeah.
that you genuinely become redundant.
सही बात।
And not many politicians realize that they are so cut off from realities because you're not living, breathing, sitting with real people.
बट दोनों सत्य है ना, हम बॉलीवुड और टीवी या मीडिया इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत इको चेम्बर में अपने जीता है।
हाँ,
ये दुनिया ऐसा
मेरे
लगता है
लिए
कि ये भाई
बहुत
यही
ही
है सब कुछ।
एक सुखद अनुभव ये है कि मैं इन सभी क्षेत्रों में हूँ
हाँ जी।
लेकिन इको चेम्बर में नहीं हूँ.
I want to know what the conversation was with एकता जी, because the first time around somebody told me कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी के कारण भी आपका कास्टिंग हुआ था।
That is what I was told by Ekta.
हाँ।
That भाई मुझे ऐसे ऐसे बोला गया and then this is जनार्दन पंडित. मैंने बोला एकता को कि आपको पिक करना है. हाँ जी भाई साहब. McDonald's was paying me $1,600 a month.
Oh, you were still at McDonald's at that time?
Yeah, and Ekta was willing to pay me $1,600 a day. I was like jackpot. तेल लेने गया, क्या करना है बताओ. They were like, so my first assignment was not क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. If you remember, there used to be
You
a
did
show
another
called
show.
Hum Panch.
हाँ, no, you were in Hum Panch also?
No, I had gone. I still remember that day because Priya Tendulkar ji at that day passing by every time I was sitting for an audition. They wanted a replacement for Sweetie, and I was like, मैं किसी angle से Sweetie नहीं लगती. Again, you had no job, so you just went and auditioned for
Correct.
everything. And then they picked me for, there used to be a show on Sony called Ghar Ek Mandir. Gautami and Ram Kapoor were the leads. I was supposed to be playing Gautami's sister, so I had got the contract for that. When Ekta Kapoor just came out of the blue when I had gone to sign my contract to say, क्या है? And I was like, अरे अभी नौकरी मिली है. So she took it, she tore it. I was like, crap, नौकरी.
एक तो चीज थी
And she said, अरे नया वो लेके आओ. Very filmy. लाओ नया contract लाओ. She signed.
What a wow.
And she said, take this. And I was like, क्या है?
Are we talking the Chandivali office at this
No,
point?
no, I'm talking about the Balaji office in Andheri.
Very
and I'm
nice.
like, buddy, what are you giving me? This is a show I'm making. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत है. You're going to be big. I was like, क्या?
I can hear her
I
say
said,
it.
हाँ, so
अपनी दलील डालें उनको इस show पे
हीरोइन
लाने
की बहन नहीं, अरे stupid woman, हीरोइन. I was like, oh, अच्छा. And I was like, पैसा कितना मिल रहा है?
हाँ.
So she was like, ऐसा अच्छा, 1800, very good. 1600 नहीं तो 1800. She said, yes, we'll pay you 1800.
Not
आ
bad.
जाना.
200 रुपए
जब
जास्ती.
कल आना और ऑडिशन देना. Next morning I land up. I have no idea. And my dad is consistently ringing me, come back to Delhi. You are not making it in Bombay. We have to get you married. I'm like, no, you trust Tirupati Balaji. Na, I got a call from Balaji.
Very nice.
Who is
Nice
Balaji?
convincing tactic for Papa.
So I go the next morning and the चौकीदार decides to throw me out. इसे
हाँ,
आप कौन
ये
है?
भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मेरे को ये कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि
हाँ.
आपको चौकीदार ने क्यों मना कर दिया आने से.
इसे आप एक्टर दिखते नहीं, इधर से जाओ. मैंने कहा नहीं मेरे को बुलाया है. मैं तुलसी करके कुछ कर रही हूँ. And there's a lady Monisha Monisha used to be also the head of a network, Tarun Katyal's better half.
Oh my God.
So Monisha was in charge of audition. Yes, she said. I'm like, madam, I've come here for a character. She just looked at me. No. I'm like, no, matlab check to karo. So she looked, I think, through every character, including Naukar kaun play karega. She said, your name does not exist on any paper. I said, is there a character called Tulsi? She said, yes. I said, can you look under that? She said, there's only one name, Samskriti Malhotra. I said, that is
Me.
me.
It me.
And she had such disdain on her face. She was like, karo. Then they did my audition and she failed me. And she told like, इसको कास्ट मत करना है, बहुत खराब एक्टर.
Oh my God. Not just the. तो आप फिर मनोबल कैसे बनाई हैं? आप आगे कैसे बढ़ी जिंदगी में?
I'm just looking at that 1800 bucks, 1600 bucks.
You're like 1800 मतलब ही एक चीज से है अपने को.
You see, when you come from abject bottom, there's no other place but up to go. So you have to be very focused.
यही अच्छा
Am I
advice है.
seeking validation from somebody for who I am as a human being? No. Nobody validates what I am as a human being. So if I seek no reconciliation, if I seek no validation, if I seek no support, if I seek no comfort, then
सब चांदी चांदी.
yeah, because most people are disappointed when
But you
others
seek no
disappoint.
validation for sure. Like you're an actor
And then
and a politician.
am I wearing some of the most basic sari and sitting?
You wear some of the most beautiful sarees, Smriti ji.
No,
आपको
but
मैं
right
बोलना
now
चाहता
am
हूँ.
I wearing a very basic?
This is also
sari?
character, no?
No, I could have picked a very glamorous Gaurang sari. It's there,
Yeah.
but I have a scene to do, so
You're
I
more
could-
focused on that.
Yeah.
Interesting. There's a good campaign जो आप लोग रन करते हो जिसका मैं नाम लेना चाहूँगा. It's called #NotJustMoms.
Yeah.
उसके बारे में मेरे को बताओ, वो आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
वो चैनल का था because Ekta's whole the reason why we all got together to do Kyunki season 2 was to say what can we express now that we couldn't talk of at that time because we were in such a competitive rush. We spoke about body shaming. We spoke about aging. Yesterday there was a scene which was aired, which was about a husband and wife separating. So within a very very traditional family, how did husband and wife separate? Under the same roof, they lived in two different rooms, right? So, conversation about what is separation. तो चलो तुमको settle कर देता हूँ, पैसे दे देता हूँ. So the wife says, अच्छा, how much is good enough to have given you 38 years of my life? How do you compute? So it is those issues which normally an actor or a politician doesn't talk about. Issue of Tulsi's daughter having a relationship before marriage.
Yeah.
And Tulsi telling the daughter, don't lie to the man you are about to marry. Tell him you had a relationship.
Correct.
Now, you don't expect a contemporary Saas Bahu soap to have a mother figure who tells the daughter, don't hide a relationship. And she's like, listen, you're not supposed to tell the man. I said, don't lie to the man if you want to have, a life with him.
Great dialogue.
Or when the daughter uses a false case against her husband, Tulsi stands up for the boy, saying this is wrong. It's a false dowry case. It's a false case of torture. Now, Smriti Irani as a politician may not be able to do it. Smriti Irani as a character in any other show may not have that kind of an impact. So it took this amalgam of Jio, Star, Ekta, me to say these things. Because if you look across television today or even OTT, these are not issues right now for any creator.
Yeah.
So we are getting to say some of the most hardcore stuff in a Saas Bahu soap. That is a conversation you are having steeped in reality, right?
Yeah, we're not
We are
fiction. You all are
transforming
taking
this.
fiction to the next level.
We are taking and we are making the fact that it's succeeding, right? What does it tell you? That no other creator has the excuse that it doesn't work.
Yeah.
It's working.
नहीं कटाक्ष तो आप लोगों को बड़े मिले थे जब मतलब क्लेश होते थे घर पे कि भाई
But that's
इन्हीं की वजह से हो रहे हैं क्लेश.
No, see, my opinion is, मुझे कई लोगों ने कहा पब्लिक सेरेमनीज में, भाई मेरे बच्चा ख़राब हो रहा है टीवी देख के. ऐसे टीवी बंद कर दो फिर. आपने बच्चे को जन्म दिया है. टीवी की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है आपका बच्चा पालना. यूट्यूब की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है आपका बच्चा पालना. इंस्टा की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है आपका बच्चा पालना. आपकी जिम्मेदारी है आप कंट्रोल करो क्या कंटेंट, या आप अपने बच्चे को बेहतर इन्फॉर्म करो कि वो किस प्रकार के कंटेंट को पिकअप करे.
सही बात है.
आप वॉचिंग रीडिंग हैबिट्स के बारे में बच्चे को बेहतर इन्फॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हो और फिर आप कह रहे हो कि अरे आप
Correct,
समय नहीं
correct.
दे रहे हो अपने बच्चे को.
नहीं क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी से लेके जितने भी अपने के सीरियल्स थे उन सब पे कटाक्ष आता था ना ये वाला.
Even movies. I
Movies.
mean, not that movies were any better.
Yeah.
But my issue is that if I principally as an actor could set the rules that I will not do XYZ, every other actor could.
Correct.
But the issue is, who is the moral standard of my family? No actor is.
Yeah.
So if you've made the actor the fulcrum of how your family is to be raised, then something is wrong with you, not the actor.
करेक्ट, अपने गिरेबान में जाके। क्या हम गेट क्रैश कर सकते हैं आपका सेट?
हाँ,
चलिए फिर तो हम,
चलिए।
क्योंकि शांति निकेतन में निवास करेंगे, हम यहाँ गाड़ी में बैठे और आके दिमाग कदई करेंगे, फिर हम खलास। वैसे अभी तक कैसा लगा आपको हमसे बात
आप
करके?
बताओ आपको कैसा लगा?
मेरे को लग रहा है कि
You're
हम flow
surviving
में
a
हैं।
politician.
No, I have really had the honor of having this jam session with you and it hasn't felt like an hour or whatever we spent. And I'm just like, मेरे को 2500 और चीजें बोलनी है आपको और पूछनी है आपसे।
तो बोलो।
टाइम किधर है? आप शूट के बीच
नहीं
में
नहीं,
है।
करो करो, बोलो।
नहीं
Doesn't
नहीं,
matter.
हम अंदर चलते हैं गेट क्रैश करके, फिर वापस आके दिमाग कदई करेंगे। प्लीज चलिए। क्या क्या स्पेसेस हैं जिन लोगों ने शो नहीं देखा उन लोगों को बताना चाहूंगा मैं।
So this is the living room. That is a temple. That is a dining space. There is the kitchen. तुलसी का रूम upstairs. परी का रूम upstairs. लड़कों का रूम upstairs. That is a sitting area. वहाँ पे झगड़े कई होते हैं। ये मिश्रा है। कभी ये इटावा से होता है, कभी ये उज्जैन से होता है. So we keep ragging him.
क्या बात है, ये टैलेंट
तरुण
होता है
मिश्रा।
देखिए कई लोगों के हमारे,
हाँ हाँ, प्रोडक्शन में है हमारे. तो
कि आप हर जगह से होंगे तो ही आप थोड़ा सा सब लोगों से
it
कनेक्ट कर
is
पाएंगे।
genuinely the bonhomie on the set. Something I believe is बरकत तब आती है जब सबका मन स्वच्छ हो और अच्छे सिद्धांतों के साथ लगा हो.
सही बोला है।
So I think क्योंकि became क्योंकि because people love to be a part of the unit.
Yeah, but thank you so much for being on the show.
Pleasure.
एक this is part 1, ठीक है, हम फिर मिलेंगे, part 2 करेंगे. अभी के लिए बाय बाय. दिस इज मी सिद्धार्थ आलम signing off. Please subscribe to Mashable India. Bye.